Hello everybody, back and ready to watercolor our forms. Remember, we learned about Wayne Thiebaud last time. He was an American painter and printmaker who is best known for his thickly painted still life studies of food, landscapes, and makeup. We looked at forms in his artwork for inspiration. Oh, that looks delicious. I'm so hungry. I could eat that. Can I eat that? No, that isn't a real cake. But we are going to use value, which is the range of light to dark, to make it look real, three-dimensional, a form. Last time we talked about forms and shapes. Well, here we have a form. To create the illusion of form, you're going to start with a light source. So I'm just going to draw an imaginary sun here to show that I'm going to paint this side light and the other side dark. Now, what color scheme am I going to use? There's primary colors, secondary colors, warm colors, cool colors, complementary, analogous, rainbow. I want to use the warm colors. The warm colors are going to stand out. So I have my watercolor set. Looks like it needs to be cleaned up. I'm going to dip my water, get my paper towel in water, and take some time to clean this up. This is going to be my palette. I need to clean up some of those paints too, like the yellow. And of course, I have small, medium, and large brushes. So to start on the light side, I'm going to do a little wash of water, light water. And then I'm going to add a little bit of red. And of course, I'm taking my time in real life. I'm just speeding this up to show you. On this side, I'm going straight to the paper. Paint on dry paper is going to be darker. And then of course, I'm adding water on this side that I want to be light. And again, just paint straight on dry paper. It's going to be darker. Gonna clean my brush and prepare for a different color, orange. So I'm using the warm colors. On the inside of my cake, I'm gonna make this part yellow. And the top, I'm gonna add some red for these strawberries. Alright, and keeping with the warm color scheme, I'm going to mix a new color for the plate. So I have yellow, orange. I'm going to make a yellow-orange color and just add it to my plate. Now to add some color to my background. How should I paint this using the warm colors? Well, to make the trees warm colors, it's going to be fall in my painting. So I have a red, orange, and yellow tree. The leaves always change colors in the fall. And the sun is setting. I have a family portrait over here, and I'm going to use the warm colors for that too. Now, I want to emphasize some things in my picture, and that's what grabs your attention. So you can emphasize using color. Now here we have orange and cool background. Now cool colors are the opposite of warm colors. So I selected the main areas that I want to grab the attention, and for the other areas, I'm going to use cool colors as a way to contrast those warm colors. just to make them pop. Now, when you really think about what color scheme you're using, it makes such a big difference in your painting. So on this wall, again, it's lighter, so I'm going to do purple. And I'm taking my time in real life, but like I said, I just sped this up for you. Now for my landscape, I'm going to do a little green field here. Some purple mountains. Now purple can be really, really dark, so be careful how you use it. And I put a little bit too much blue, so I'm just trying to spread that blue out. I don't want it to be too dark. More water than paint. More water than paint. Now for the frames. Now I rarely use black because it's hard to control. Sometimes it'll take over your whole painting. So I recommend using black sparingly. That means not very much, very, very little. And then I'm going to change it up over here, adding just a little bit of color to these people. Using a tiny brush, of course, because I have tiny areas. Maybe I'll do a blue frame. And I'm getting close. So I took my time painting and I'm happy with the results. Of course, I'm going to clean my paintbrush and wish you guys luck too. Add some variety and enjoy class. I can watercolor. Do your best.